When starting a new business, one of the key early decisions you need to make is the type of legal structure it will take. This choice determines how your business is organized and how liabilities and taxes are handled. It's an important foundational step, so it pays to understand the different options and choose wisely. Common business structure types. There are 5 main types of business structures to consider in the United States. Sole proprietorship. A sole proprietorship is the simplest and most common structure, where one individual owns and operates the business as an extension of themselves. Assets and liabilities fall directly on the owner. Profit and losses pass through to the owner's personal tax return. To form, no legal filings are required other than basic business licensing and permits. This structure is easy and inexpensive to set up. Partnership. A partnership is when 2 or more individuals come together to own and operate a business venture as co-owners. Partners share both profits, losses, and responsibility for debts and other liabilities. A partnership agreement outlines roles and responsibilities. Like a sole proprietorship, a partnership does not provide liability protection of its owners and income. Losses pass to partner tax returns. C corporation. A C corporation is a separate legal entity that files its own tax return and pays taxes on profits earned. Owners are shareholders who are issued stock as evidence of ownership. The corporation shield protects personal assets from business liabilities. Forming requires more legal filings and record keeping. C Corp can access public stock markets for additional funding. S corporation. An S Corp has tax benefits of a partnership but liability protections of a C corporation. Only U.S. citizens or residents can own stock. Like a partnership, income and losses pass through to shareholders. Filing is a one-time IRS election along with meeting qualifications. Limited liability company, LLC. An LLC combines pass-through taxation of a sole proprietorship or partnership with the limited liability of a corporation. Owners are called members. An LLC is a legal entity providing liability protection for personal assets of its members. Choosing a structure. Factors to consider. Number of owners. 1. Sole proprietorship for one owner only. 1. Partnership works for 2 or more co-founders. 1. An LLC or corporation structure allows multiple shareholders or members. Liability protection. 1. Sole proprietorship and partnership provide no liability shielding. 1. LLC and corporation structures do protect personal assets from business debts and lawsuits. Taxation method. 1. Sole proprietorships and partnerships pass profits, losses through to owners' tax returns. 1. LLC can choose pass-through or be taxed as a C/S corporation. Future goals. 1. Raising investment capital eventually may require incorporating to access public stock exchanges. 1. An LLC can later convert to a corporation to go public as business scale expands. Industry norms. 1. Certain regulated industries like professional services often use LLC or corporation structures due to customary standards of legitimacy. 1. Conforming increases credibility. Additional factors. 1. Startup capital needs, whether seeking investment, ongoing compliance, ability to attract high-quality talent and succession planning for transferring ownership. Selecting your business structure. In most cases, the optimal choice for a new venture will depend on a unique blend of these factors rather than any single attribute. Take time weighing risks, benefits and planning for future growth when making this essential decision. Be open-minded. What initially seems simplest may not serve long-term goals. A lawyer or advisor can provide additional counsel tailored to your situation. Ultimately, choose a structure aligned with your vision, risk tolerance and strategic objectives for the business. Seek the right balance to launch your enterprise effectively while allowing room to change course gracefully as dynamics inevitably evolve over time. 5 common business structure combinations. Since no single option is ideal for every venture, many businesses adopt hybrid structures addressing multiple considerations. Sole proprietorship with LLC provides liability protections while maintaining pass-through taxation. Partnership between LLC entities. LLC members benefit from partnership governance with personal liability shields. LLC taxed as an S Corp combines advantages of corporate benefits and partnership structure with one-time tax election. C Corp holding company with subsidiaries. Umbrella structure separates divisions for financing, investments or acquisitions. Holding LLC owning subsidiary LLC, C Corp. Central control and ownership of related business units through main LLC entity. Keep legal requirements in mind. Be familiar with your state regulations regarding forming business structures properly. Stay compliant with regular annual filings like taxes, licenses, and fees. Consult an attorney if changing structures or ownership involving complex transactions. Overall, thoughtfully weighing these factors will set your business on the right foundation for long-term prosperity.